Here's an easy Greek salad that's loaded with protein and bursting with flavor, all using ingredients that are in season right now during summer. You start with a rotisserie chicken. We're saving time this week. It has colorful peppers, cherry or grape tomatoes, cucumber, feta cheese, 2 kinds of beans. I have cannellini beans and garbanzo beans. You see we're loading up the protein here. And I'm gonna make a simple dressing using olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, a little bit of oregano, salt, and pepper. Easy. I'm mixing up the dressing first so that those flavors can just kind of blend, and we'll set this aside for later. Use a bigger bowl than you think you need. It'll be a lot easier to stir it. I removed all the breast meat and stuck it here in the bowl. I'm gonna chop it up smaller. And something like this, little bite-sized pieces or smaller. Don't throw away the carcass. We're gonna make something else out of it. Comment below how many meals you think I'm gonna get out of this one rotisserie chicken. For the canned beans, you wanna drain these and rinse them before adding. You're gonna want about a pint of cherry or grape tomatoes. A pint's a pound, okay? The best way to slice these is with a serrated knife. Put a bowl or something on top and just cut through by pressing down. And now they're halved. About a dozen or so of these mini peppers, or you could use larger peppers if you want to. I like to cut them in half so we can scoop out the seeds, and then we're gonna get them chopped up small. You can scoop out these seeds with a spoon, or I just use my fingers. Same, just like that. That's all we're looking for. Nothing fancy. We're gonna make it easy and take the chopper out. Feeling stressed, just give it a whack. Works every time. There we go with peppers, they go in. Next we'll do the cucumbers. I have a whole bag of these, this is a pound. Just gonna lob off the stem at the end and chop these the same way. Okay, in it goes. I'm gonna use a half of red onion. If you don't have the red onion, you wanna use white onion, it'll be fine. I just happen to have this one and I really like this type. We want the onion a little bit finer. This all goes in just like the rest. It's gonna make a lot of servings, so it's definitely worth the effort. Look how colorful this is starting to become. I have 8 ounces of feta and I'm gonna crumble this in. You can buy it pre-crumbled. I just happen to like buying it whole and crumbling it myself. It's moister and seems to taste fresher. And just crumble it straight in. You see why I said to start with a big bowl? This thing grows. All right, I'm adding 60 grams of Kalamata olives sliced in half. You could use any Greek olives. I love these. Such a salty flavor, and that's a healthy fat along with your quality olive oil. Last item before we stir, capers. This is gonna give it that Mediterranean salty umami flavor. I'm being generous with 4 tablespoons because I love the capers. All right, we're gonna give this a good mix. I just like to, you know, you don't want to mush it, so just go along the edge and pull that chicken up from the bottom and bring it all together. This is looking so good and so colorful. We're not going to put the dressing on until you're ready to eat it. That way everything stays fresh and just the way you're going to want to like it. Oh my goodness, this looks so, so good. All right, this is gonna get divided into servings. It's got a ton of protein. I'll give you the macros below. Enjoy. It's actually made 8 servings.